Hello, my young developers. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel, Digitalize the World. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to make a basketball game. In my last lesson, as I told you that I'm going to come with a very surprising game, here I come. So, my young developers, let me show you how your basketball game will look like. Ta-da! So let's dig inside and let's create your basketball game. So first of all, for the basketball game, we need a basketball court. Let's see. There we go. We have this here. Let's say okay. And let's get our new character. Say bye-bye to tech. Let's get a character who is going to dribble your ball. And we need the basketball as well. So first of all, let's see which character is more suitable. I think this girl. Let's take this because she's just making her hand movement like that. Let's put the girl here and let's get our basketball. Let's go all the way down. And here we got this basketball. Let's choose it. All right. So we're going to put this basketball on the top of our hand like that. If you're going to make the size smaller for your character, you can do that. So we go to the looks and you have this shrink block here. You click on this one. I want to make her smaller, just like that. Let's put that girl on the top of the line like this. Let's make the ball size smaller as well. Basketball, and make the size shrink 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. I think that's good. Okay, now we will be doing the code for this team first. So we want that your teen should be moving all the way just here, this much. So let's say we put the teen here, and first we're going to fix the position. We're going to lock the position of this teen by adding a green flag and your blue block, which is go home. These two blocks basically make your character lock the position. Next, we do the same thing for the basketball. Just drag the code and put it inside the basketball. And you do. See, your code is pasted. This way you can save your time. All right, now let's go back to the teen, and we want your teen to be moving with the green flag. When you hit this green button, green flag, your teen has to start moving all the way to the right side. We get this white block. And in today's lesson, I'll be introducing a control that is this block, which is called repeat block. This repeat block will basically make your character repeat for certain times. So for example, I want my character to move to the right side with every one step. But how many times this should be moving? Like this should be working. I want, for example, 11 times. Let's see. No, 11 times is very less because it should be a little closer to your this basket. So let's say 13. No, 13 is very closer. So let's say 12. Perfect. Now this means that she is going to move 12 times towards the right side with only one step. And then we have to make her stop. So you are going to add stop it. This one. Okay, and now let's see how that works. Ta-da! So she is moving perfectly the way I want her to move. Now let's do the same coding for your basketball. So what we can do is, let's put the same code inside your basketball, just like that. Go to the basketball, and we want the ball to be exactly moving as well. Let's put the ball right on the top of the hand, and let's see. Perfect. Okay, the ball is moving perfectly fine on the right side. But do you know that the ball doesn't move like that? The ball always bounces. So we also want to show that the girl is basically dribbling the ball and the ball is showing the bouncing effect. So how to do the bouncing effect? So what we're going to do is, we go to the green flag. We're going to do another code in which we're going to show the bouncing effect. This hop block is basically going to show you the bouncing effect. We will be adding the repeat block here. and how many times you want the ball to be bouncing. We don't know that thing. So we're going to be testing and we're going to see how many times the ball has to bounce. Let's keep 4 times and then we want it to end. Let's test it. Nice. I think that's good. Let's keep 4 here. And now we want that the ball basically should go all the way to the up, then on the right, then it should go all the way to the down. So what we're going to do is we add your first up block. Let's remove this for now. Let's add your up block. Then we add right block. And then we add down block. Now, how many times we want, like how many steps you want your ball to go up. For example, I add 6. It has to go 6 steps to the up, and then it has to move 1 step to the right, and it has to go 8 steps downward, and then it has to stop. Let's see. Wow. Okay, I have observed one thing. Have you also observed that this basketball is moving very slow, as if it's using a slow motion? But what we want that the ball should be moving fastly. So, to make the ball move fast, we have a speed block here. This is your speed block. Set speed block. We're going to add this speed block. Oopsies, the ball is moving very fast. Okay, now I have observed one thing, that when the ball is with your team, it has to move slowly, but when the ball reaches next to the basket, the ball has to go all the way up, right side, and then come down with a very fast speed. This fast speed block is correct on this position, but we are going to add a slow speed here because this normal speed is matching with your teen as well. So we want that both your characters should match with the same speed. Now let's test it if it's looking good. Perfect. See, now it's working amazing. This is how we wanted the ball to move with the girl. First, we added a moderate speed, and then when we wanted the ball to go up in the basket and come down from the basket, we want the speed very fast. And that works. So my students, in today's lesson, we have learned how to create a basketball game. Now it's your time. I would like you to do the practice and share your experience in the comment section. In my next lesson, I will be teaching you another surprising game. Don't forget to subscribe me and like my videos. Do share it with your friends and family. Till then, I'm going to see you in my next lesson. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye.